family, it is your girl Brittany, and I am back with another video. So today we are at our second doctor's appointment, and today they are just looking to confirm how many weeks I am, and to also check on the baby. I'm not sure if they'll be able to give us the gender today, but we're here, and I'm kind of just sitting in the car, y'all, and just reflecting kind of a little bit on the pregnancy. And so I wanted to share with you guys that this pregnancy has been a little different for me. Like with my first pregnancies, they were easy. I was energized. I was able to, eat and sleep normally. But with this pregnancy, it is completely different, guys. Like my emotions are all over the place. I sleep pretty much all day long. I have been dealing with morning sickness and even sickness like throughout the day. After I eat, I get kind of like this weird taste in my mouth where it just makes me feel sick. Like this baby is taking complete control of my body and like the way that I feel and the way that I operate throughout the day. And so this is very different for me. It kind of makes me feel like I've never been pregnant before because it's like that different. And so y'all, I've been trying to keep myself motivated and encouraged, and me sleeping so much, it makes me feel lazy. And so I'm dealing with the emotions of feeling like, I'm not doing anything, or not really realizing the fact that, you're pregnant and this is normal and this is, how it's supposed to be. But I'm so used to being up and doing things and being able to go about my day on, this normal way, that now it just seems like it's difficult to do everything. I got to wake up in the morning and take the kids to school. That's hard. Doing my makeup videos on Facebook has been hard. Like cooking dinner has been hard. Like everything. Like I just feel so tired all of the time, and I'm eating like crazy. As y'all can see, my cheeks are beginning to get bigger. And so I just wanted to come and talk to you guys and let you know how the pregnancy is going before I go inside. I'm actually waiting on my husband. He is on his way here. He didn't take off work, but I made my doctor's appointment early enough that he can come with me, and then afterwards he can just go ahead to work. So come along with us, and I'll let you guys see what I can. My husband wants to know the gender of the baby. I'm trying to do a gender reveal because it's something that my kids really want to do. And so he wants to know the gender. If they allow us to know today, I'm going to go ahead and allow him to find out. And I'm going to see if he can keep it, if he can keep the secret. If not, guys, I will know and everybody else won't know. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and go inside. What's up, family? So for my last doctor's appointment, I really didn't get a chance to finish that video simply because I had a whole bunch of stuff going on that day. And so they told me that I was officially 12 weeks, that my due date is November the 11th, which is a couple of days after Nyrell's birthday. So she was super uber excited. I didn't really get a chance to record that for you guys. But today we are on our way to celebrate Taylor and her honors, y'all. So I'm gonna let her have the opportunity to just talk to y'all about her grade point average and how she's been doing in school real quick. Hi.
Yes, I have an honors night today. I don't know, but yeah, it was pretty easy. I don't know how to say it, but you just gotta stay focused and do your work and pass those tests. That was so weird, but I've been doing pretty good with maintaining my grades, especially with having a early college class. I definitely think that when you have early college, you have to be on top of your stuff for sure, because it's gonna get hectic and you're gonna get stressed out about it. So for me, I definitely think it was just a balance of having to do high school work and then do my college work, but it was really easy for me to maintain it. Oh, my grade point average with my college classes and my high school classes are at 3.79. I was so close to getting a 3.8, but it's okay. And then without my college classes and just my high school credits, it's just a 3.6 GPA. but that's a point higher than what I got last year, so I'm pretty excited about that. But yeah, so we're going to go to the honors night, and I think I'm going to get pinned this year. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm super excited.
So yes, y'all, she is in the 10th grade and she is maintaining her grades very, very, very well. So I'm super excited to celebrate her tonight. And then Nyrell is actually doing really good as well. She is maintaining a 3.9, y'all. So we doing real good over here when it comes to grades. And so I'm super excited to celebrate her tonight. And then we're gonna head back home. But I had to come back and let you guys know how that appointment went and then what we're doing today. So I'm gonna take you guys along to see the ceremony for her, and then we're going to go home. Maybe I'll take her to get her something to eat or something like that. I don't know, but we'll see. So come on with us. All right, y'all, we made it. We headed on in. We're gonna see what this little program is all about. I think it's gonna be similar to the one they had last year, but we'll see.
Showcase our amazing students, many of whom I've had the honor to teach and work with directly. The students here tonight truly showcase the values and ideals we have here, and I'm excited that we can all celebrate their accomplishments together. Before we begin in earnest, I have a few quick points of order. I'm Ms. Campbell, I'm an active 10th grade dean here at Taylor Prep. And I have the honor of presenting the award for students who have achieved the status of magna cum laude during this academic year. To achieve that status, these students have achieved and maintained a cumulative GPA of 3.7 to 3.89 during the entire academic year. So I invite you all to celebrate the following students. Zainab Arif. Michael Bauer. Elizabeth Bauer. Nala Blair. Shanae Ford. Jimmy Brooks. Benjamin Cooper. Ethan Craig. Kevin Cumberland. Sarah Davidson. Jameer Davis. Damon Delaney. Jordan Fowler. Michaela Green. Lydia Glevy. Taylor Jones. Jacob Prestis. Angelina LaFord. Zanea Latmore. Makai Mack. Samantha Mervin. Students and all their hard work. Thank you so much to everyone who came out tonight to celebrate our students. We really appreciate the support. If you would like to take pictures, we welcome you to stay here and take some in the gym with our staff. If you are an award winner tonight, please stay so you can take a few pictures. I know Mr. Long would love to get some from the yearbook. That's all I have. Please try to stay and have a wonderful evening, everybody.